You feel like sugar has a grip on your life, like once you start, you can't stop, and 5 minutes after eating something sweet, you're already thinking about more? That's not a willpower problem, that's blood sugar and brain chemistry. These are the 7 foods that actually kill your sugar cravings. Number 2 works faster than you'd even think, and number 1 shuts down cravings right at the source. Starting with number 7, eggs. Eggs don't get enough credit. They're loaded with protein and healthy fat, which slows down digestion and keeps blood sugar steady. When blood sugar stays steady, cravings don't show up yelling your name. If you're having a breakfast of mostly carbs, sugar cravings later are almost guaranteed. Eggs help stop that cycle right before it starts. And number 6 is plain Greek yogurt. Not the sweetened stuff, not the fruit on the bottom dessert pretending to be yogurt kind of stuff. Plain Greek yogurt is high in protein and helps keep you full longer. It also supports gut bacteria that plays a role in your appetite control. If you're craving sugar constantly, your gut might be part of the problem, and this will help calm things down. And number 5 is dark chocolate. This one feels like cheating, but it actually works. Dark chocolate is bitter enough to satisfy cravings without sending your blood sugar down the roller coaster. A square or 2 is usually enough. If you're eating milk chocolate and candy bars, cravings will just keep going. The bitter is what stops the chase. Number 4 is chia seeds. Chia seeds don't look impressive, but they sure are sneaky powerful. They absorb liquid and turn into a gel in your stomach. That slows digestion, keeps you full, and smooths out the blood sugar spikes. Translation? Your brain stops screaming for sugar every 2 hours. Try adding chia seeds to yogurt, oats, or just your water. Make sure you're drinking enough fluids because chia needs the backup. And number 3 is cinnamon. Okay, this one surprised me, but cinnamon helps improve insulin sensitivity. That means your body handles sugar better instead of spiking and crashing. Fewer crashes equals fewer cravings. Sprinkle it on coffee, yogurt, oats, or even your eggs if you're feeling adventurous. Your blood sugar will thank you later. Moving on to number 2 is apple cider vinegar. This one works faster than most people expect, but apple cider vinegar helps reduce blood sugar spikes after your meals. Less spike going up means less crash coming down. A little in your water before meals is just enough. You don't need to chug it like a maniac. And number 1 is protein and fiber. I'm talking real meals, not snacks. This is the root fix. Most sugar cravings come from meals that are too light, too processed, or too carb heavy. Protein and fiber slow digestion and stabilize blood sugar. When blood sugar stays steady, cravings fade. This isn't about cutting sugar forever, it's about building meals that don't set you up to fail later. Sugar cravings don't mean that you're weak, they mean your body is reacting. When you stabilize blood sugar and feed your brain properly, cravings stop controlling your day. Start with 1 or 2 of these foods. You don't need to change everything all at once. And if you want to keep improving your energy, digestion, and overall health, watch the next video here. I think it'll help. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, every bite has a story.